Traders, welcome back. Today we are back on gold, and if you missed our previous analysis, you should check the video on this channel because the market has now confirmed the direction around our major key level. As we all know from our previous analysis, we were focusing heavily on the key level around $4,521. I made it very clear that the candle close around this zone would decide how we trade the level moving forward. I said if the candle closed below the level, then we would treat it as a resistance zone, wait for a retest, and look for a continuation sell setup targeting around $4,372. And on the other hand, I said if the candle closed above the level, then we would treat it as a support zone, wait for a retest, and look for a continuation buy setup targeting around $4,747. Now guess what happened, traders? The candle has officially closed below the key level around $4,521. This confirms that the market is now treating this area as a flipped resistance level instead of support. That means sellers currently have the advantage unless buyers can reclaim the level again. So this flipped resistance level around $4,521 is now our main key level to watch on gold. Here is exactly what I am watching for. If price comes back up to this key flipped resistance level around $4,521, respects it, and gives us a strong bearish candlestick confirmation, then we are going to look for a continuation sell setup targeting around $4,372. However, traders must remain flexible because market conditions can change quickly. If price fails to respect this resistance level and instead breaks back above it, then the structure shifts again. The level flips from resistance back into support. In that case, we will wait for a proper retest of the broken level, and if buyers step in with confirmation, we will look for a continuation buy setup targeting around $4,747. Another important thing traders should watch is momentum around this zone. If bearish pressure continues rejecting the level aggressively, that supports downside continuation. But if buyers regain strength and reclaim the level with strong bullish momentum, then upside continuation becomes more likely. So to summarize everything clearly, the key level around $4,521 is now acting as a flipped resistance level on gold. If respected, we look for sells toward $4,372. If broken, we wait for a retest and then look for buys toward $4,747. Traders, gold has now reached a critical reaction point, and the next confirmation around this level could define the next major move in the market. All right, traders, that is all for today. Stay disciplined, stay patient, and always wait for confirmation before entering the market.